How to sign in Bill email account. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. Type in webmail.bill.net. Search for it. You will be led to official login interface of Webmail Bill. You can log into your account by providing the credentials. Tap on the field of email address. Enter the email address over here. Tap on the field of password and enter the password. Check on this box "I'm not a robot." If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option "Forget Password" and you'll be able to reset it. If you have forgotten the email address, tap on the option "Forget Email Address" and you'll be able to reset it. Tap on the option "Login" that you can see on the screen. You'll be logged into your account. Like this, you can log in Bill email account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.